in 2021 from NMC, we have given our opinion to the government. I don't know what has happened after that, if the government, I think, has given it to the Supreme Court, but it has not yet come as far as on the floor of the House is concerned. And what does this say? We have very specifically given us the format of when an FIR can be filed and when an arrest can be taken place, where it clearly says that prior to making an arrest, refer the complaint to a district medical council board, which has to be formulated by the state governments as regards to the merit of allegation of criminal rashness or negligence contained in the complaint. So it has to be primarily sent directly to the district medical board. Then the district medical board gets 2 weeks to come to some decision and give their opinion on that. And if the recommendation by the district medical board is not acceptable by the investigating agency or by the doctors, then they can refer the matter to what is called as the state medical board for its recommendation, which again should be given within 2 weeks. So there's a two-tier system it can go through, where the boards can tell you that if it is a medical negligence or not. And this has to be appointed by the state government. Even who has to be appointed on the boards has been specified over there, that there will be 2 specialists of the concerned branch on which the doctor who has treated that patient should be included in the board on the day of receipt of the complaint or the appeal. Now, what we also have said that the state medical board shall provide reasons for endorsing or rejecting the recommendation of the district medical board. And in case of an arrest of a registered medical practitioner in employment of the government or a central government, their controlling officer should also be informed. And if it is a private practitioner, the state medical council is supposed to be informed. So there is that aspect is also there over there. And unless the alleged negligence is of gross nature, we have used the word gross over here, and arrest is necessary for furthering the investigation or for collecting evidence, or where the IO feels that the doctor will be running away or whatever, only then he can arrest. Otherwise, the boards have to apply the Bolam's test. Again, this has been reiterated by the National Medical Commission also. Then we have also said that the permanent members on the board should change every 2 years. It should not be a permanent board which should be there. And the permanent members of the board should be changed. Not only that, but they should be the DGHS or the civil surgeon officer should also be part of this board. So these details have already been sent to the government from the National Medical Commission in 2021, and I hope the government goes ahead with accepting these.
I had the fortune of being the chairman of the committee which articulated the report on Jacob Mathews guidelines being incorporated in law way back in 2018 on behalf of the Medical Council of India, which has been reiterated by National Medical Commission in the form of the amendments which are required to be made, including the nature and wording of the amendment having been worked out.